Every year, for the next 40 years, 11 nuclear bombs will be detonated in your city. Your lakes will be poisoned, land uninhabitable, family, friends, and neighbors killed by radiation. Your children born with devastating deformities. In fact, you will be the unwitting subjects of a horrifying experiment in nuclear war. This was Semipalatinsk, Kazakhstan, site of the Soviet nuclear weapons program from 1949 to 1989. But the effects of a nuclear nightmare know no time and place. In 1991, Kazakh President Nursultan Nazarbayev closed the test site, eliminated the world's fourth largest nuclear arsenal, and began the quest for a nuclear weapons-free world. Remember Semipalatinsk. Fight for a future free from the threat of nuclear terrorism.